Hey guys, so today I'm playing Scratch. So you might be thinking, okay, what is Scratch? Scratch is a basic platformer. Scratch Junior is for those little kids, but this is so you can make animations, games, and many more things. So I made like this basic animation. Yeah, it's a simple one, but I'm gonna be making a new one. So yeah, it's a simple one. My stuff. So I have to delete this one. If you, I was working on this one a few hours ago, and I was down to 10 minutes. So I'm going to go there and resume it. Okay, you probably don't know what I'm doing, cause I literally just went on here. Okay, this is an animation of a person. Come on, let me see the inside. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so if I click on play, you might understand what it is now. If you do, he's just going to work and he's going to go in and do other things. So some changes weren't saved, which is fine. I'm making this little animation guy. Then I'm sorry that you guys didn't get to see the code, but well, okay. And the process. So here's just like this guy. He keeps walking along the path, and then keeps changing, and then he goes down back to 7. Once he gets to 7, we're gonna add another one and paint. This is 8. What I do, use the select tool over here, select these things, and use Control C. Bring it right here, Control V. It's in the exact same position, which is what we need. And change the outline to, what the heck? This, I don't know what the heck is wrong with this. Let's delete it. Alright, 6. You click on all of it, you can use Control C, pull it over here, Control V. Now that we have it in the exact same position, what I do is pull an outline, change the color to red. So that's how we know it's like the same thing. That's something that happened in the past, then we know what to do in the future. So, I can put it right here. I'm gonna make sure you click on fill and set it to white to just give it that fact that it's still there. Then I'm going to use the line tool and outline black and just boom, boom. It's just a simple animation. So it's going to move in like a frame every second. So, boom. So, then what I do is go back to the select tool and delete all of the red. It's a simple thing I actually found out on YouTube of some people making it. Now that we have this, we can go back here, go on our code, and let's see. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to add one more. What I do? Duplicate those 2 pieces and just drag them down to the bottom. So now we can probably click on run and it should work. So it's an animation of him going to work. Oh yeah, change to that. I have to go back. Now it's turned white or invisible. Control C, bring it back here. Control V. We name this to 8. And for 8, we're going to make him get to the front doors of his work building. So now that he's here, use this. This is pretty much the same thing. Oh no, we are running out of time really fast. Okay, let's go down to 0. So it should be a pure white. Okay, make these black lines. I'm going to do void. Don't worry, I have an idea. going to delete. Okay, and then I can select all of this and just move it a bit. Let's get it actually to the front doors. I feel like be better. Okay, let's get them to right here. So let's go back and check our code to make sure it's right. So it's just changing it from frame to frame to get it to the right position. Oh, we need to add another one, I think. Now try. This should work now. So hopefully, now that he's here, what we're going to do is duplicate, but, hold on. It goes to the next costume. Oh wait, I know what to do. Change this, remove this, and add for the stage. Wait, then it goes there. Then I'll fix that code later. But let's go to the stage, go to backdrops, and I'm going to do the same thing of Control C. Select all of this, Control C. Create a new one, use Paint, Control V. So it's the exact same thing, but I'm going to zoom in to the double doors. I'm going to use the filler and fill it with black. Now that these are black, oops, select. Now we're going to add the double doors. Outline, change fill to this, change it to this. So then what I can do is do this and do the exact same thing for this one. I'm going to just add 2 black knobs and probably finish the code. And then I feel like we're going to be done. Okay, then it gets that. Okay, let's go actually to the code. So, events, when clicked, what second timer should I get to? Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should wait for 8 seconds. Okay. Go back to control. Wait for 8 seconds. Then click on looks and change it to backdrop 2, right? Okay. Then change it to backdrop 2. Yada yada yada. Boom. Simple. I'm gonna just click on this. Go back to the code, and then add when it goes to the 8 seconds. Wait for 1 second. Wait for 1 second, and then just add another one and make it clear. So then it should disappear. So let's run this code. We only have 2 minutes, so we could probably sparkle up the background maybe. Let's get it to work. Yes, the code's done. I'm gonna have the delay a bit more. Let's change it. I don't know. So I'm gonna say 2 seconds. And then we're done. Okay, I'm just gonna change the backdrop a bit. It looks pretty trash, if you know what I mean. So on both of these, let's just all the is the difference is the double. Yeah, some difference. Okay, well I'm just gonna add is the sun, and then I feel like I'm gonna be done with this. So then I can get out of this. Okay. Change it to 30, I feel like. just add this little thing for the sun. It's really hard to do good art on like some like can't import images or anything. So it's like hand drawing only, which is kind of bad, but whatever. Add that, and I think we're good. Wait, I have an idea. Like, probably. Scale. I'm just gonna keep adding these little circles to get there. Done. There's our sun. There's our thins. And we are at time. Let's go. So, yep, time went off. Boom. We finished this game. And I'm going to name it to what, like, going to work. Done. Okay. Um, file, save now. Okay, it's saving. So, is it saved? It's unsaved. Okay, now we can see the project page. Oh, share. Okay, there. Now it's for everybody. Instructions. Hit the in flag to play the animation. Animation. Energy. By I'm going to make a short of how many views I think it has. Subscribe. There. So it has no comments and everything, but I'll check in of a week and we're going to see how this is. So that's it for today. Please remember, if you have not subscribed, it really means a lot to me because the more subscribers I have now, I'm going to bring it into my new thing. I am going to try to get Twitch when I turn 13 and also Discord. So I will only do those things if you will subscribe because I will only announce those when I get to 30 subscribers. Or if it's been more than enough time, but I really don't want to do that. So please consider subscribing. And if you don't like my videos anymore, it's fine. Tell me ideas though. And that's it for today. Goodbye.